A. This report is better than the one we received last month. B. This report is best than the one we received last month. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. The correct answer is better because we use the comparative form when comparing two items. Best is a superlative form, used when comparing three or more items. A. Of all the hotels in town, the Grand Hotel is the more luxurious. B. Of all the hotels in town, the Grand Hotel is the most luxurious. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Most luxurious is the correct answer as it is the superlative form of the adjective, used to indicate the highest degree of luxury among three or more hotels. A. She runs faster now than she did last year. B. She runs fastest now than she did last year. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Faster is correct here, as we're comparing her speed now to her speed in the past, requiring the comparative form. Fastest is a superlative, not suitable for this comparison. A. This is the more interesting book I have ever read. B. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Most interesting is the right choice because it is a superlative form, indicating the book is at the highest level of interest compared to all others read before. A. His work is worse this semester than it was last semester. B. His work is worse this semester than it was last semester. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Worse is the correct answer as it's the comparative form of bad, used for comparing two periods. Worst is a superlative, indicating the lowest quality among three or more. A. Out of all the runners, he was the faster. B. Out of all the runners, he was the fastest. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Fastest is the correct answer because it is the superlative form, indicating he was quicker than all other runners, which requires comparing more than two. A. My sister is more careful with her belongings now than she used to be. B. My sister is most careful with her belongings now than she used to be. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. More careful is correct, using the comparative form to compare her current level of care to her past level, indicating an improvement. A. This cake is more delicious than the one we had yesterday. B. This cake is most delicious than the one we had yesterday. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. More delicious is the right choice because it's the comparative form, used for direct comparison between two cakes. Most delicious would be used for comparing three or more. A. Among all the students, he is the more intelligent. B. Among all the students, he is the most intelligent. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Most intelligent is the correct answer because it's the superlative form, indicating he is at the highest level of intelligence compared to all other students. A. The weather today is colder than it was yesterday. B. The weather today is coldest than it was yesterday. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Colder is the correct answer as it's the comparative form, suitable for comparing the weather between 2 days. Coldest is superlative, used for the extreme among many. A. This is the better meal I have had in months. B. This is the best meal I have had in months. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Best is the correct answer because it uses the superlative form of good, indicating the meal is at the highest level of goodness compared to all others in recent months. A. She spoke more fluently today than during her last presentation. B. She spoke most fluently today than during her last presentation. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. More fluently is correct, employing the comparative form to compare her fluency between two presentations. Most fluently would imply a comparison among many.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.